Yo, what is up guys? My name is Quantum FPV and today we're going to be talking about the Lulzbot Mini 3D printer and its ability to print flexible filaments. Now, usually if you want to print flexible filaments on a Lulzbot Mini, you would need to switch the extruder, because Lulzbot says on their website that the normal extruder for the Lulzbot Mini cannot print in TPU. Now, this is kind of confusing because printers like the Creality CR10 use a Bowden extruder, which I'll show you a picture of now. And if that extruder can print with TPU, which is a flexible filament, then anything can. Now first of all, let's talk about why this printer is advertised as a non-flexible filament printer stock. That's because the flexible filament curls up in the extruder when it's trying to extrude. Now, there are many things you can do to combat this. I originally thought that I might put some sort of straw inside, which is kind of how the flex extruder works, but I found out a much easier way to do it on the software side. So let's take a look, and I'll show you exactly how you can get TPU prints like this on your Lulzbot Mini without switching the extruder at all.